Light is an extremely important resource because it allows you to see things better. Without light, you might not be able to see this video, and that would just be devastating. Thankfully, I have developed a brand new skill, which is to change a light bulb, so I shouldn't ever have to worry about there being no light. I am delighted to teach you how to change a light bulb yourself, so that you'll never have to remain in the dark again. This is what a light bulb looks like. As you can see, it is extremely sparkly. It has these metal spikes at the end here, which are not too sharp. This is the main part of the bulb here. There's this glass thing on the outside, and then there's something on the inside. I don't actually know what that is, but thankfully this video is just about changing the light bulb, so we don't need to know what any of this stuff does. It's probably not important anyway. Now, I did around 3 hours of research beforehand and have discovered that the light bulb needs to go into a light fitting. After searching high and low, I have finally managed to find the light fitting in this room. There happens to be one right here. We're now ready to change this light bulb and put it in the light fitting. Just need to take one of these light bulbs out. Oh, wait a minute. I think I need to turn the light switch off, otherwise I can get electrified. I forget that step every time. Well, thankfully I remembered this time. There we go, the light is off now. Okay, good. Now let's take the light bulb out. It's really hot. What is this sorcery? It's burning my flesh. I'm gonna have to wait a few seconds for the light bulb to cool down, so I'll be right back. 6.5 hours later. The bulb is still really hot, but I've run out of patience now, so I'm just going to take the bulb out anyway. And the bulb is out now. Let's now add this brand new bulb into the light fitting. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit at all. I thought I just need to put this in and it will work. That didn't go to plan. Well, I did take this light bulb out, so I have done something. So let's see now how the light looks with the bulb out. Looks a lot better now than it did before. And now with this light bulb removed, there is more space in the room. I can do this. I wasn't able to do this before because I would just bang my hand on the light bulb. So I'm very pleased. And that completes the tutorial on how to change a light bulb. If you ever require my services in the construction industry, such as changing a light bulb, then please let me know and I'll be happy to change a light bulb for you. I do charge a lot of money, but I offer a premium service, as I've just shown you. So it is definitely worth it. I'm going to go now and bask in the light, so I'll see you all later. Goodbye. Oh, that's so much better. I feel the light resonating off my face, and it's really good. I need to change more light bulbs. Maybe I'll change this one.